Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. About 2 months back I had made a video on how to get this Rudraksha Diksha from Isha Yoga, and finally the package has arrived after March 11th after performing all the pujas and all the rituals. So probably you might be having a lot of questions like, did I receive any tracking number for this package? Who can wear this Rudraksha? When will my Rudraksha get delivered? And lots of questions. All these questions I'm going to answer in this video, as well as I'll unbox this product and I'll let you know how to wear it and what is the right procedure to be followed while wearing the Rudraksha. So without wasting much time, let's get this video started. The Rudraksha beads inside this package were concentrated by Sadhguru, and here's a video, you can have a check. So let me open this package and show you what's inside it. Firstly, we received this pamphlet in which it's clearly given on all languages on how to wear this Rudraksha. Let me keep that aside. Then we get the photo of Adiyogi itself. As you can see, this is a normal photo and it does not have any adhesive or anything on the backside to stick it. But always you can use a double-sided sellotape and stick this to your god's puja room or anywhere you want. Then we received this concentrated vibhuti from Isha Yoga, and I'll open and show it to you. Be little careful while opening this because it's very tightly packed and you must waste some vibhutis. So as you can see, you will receive a very small quantity of vibhuti to wear while wearing this Rudraksha. So I'll keep that aside. Then we receive the Rudrakshas itself tied inside this black cloth. So I'll bring it close to the camera so that you can have a better look. I'll just open one of these Rudrakshas. So as you can see, you will receive this Rudraksha and a Abhaya Sutra in which you can tie this Rudraksha around your neck. I have attached my macro lens so that you can clearly see the 5 phases of Rudrakshina. Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3, Phase 4 and Phase 5. And this is how the Rudraksha looks like, and the original Rudraksha will have all these irregularities. If you don't see all these irregularities in your Rudraksha, then it's not a original Rudraksha. Now wearing this Rudraksha is very simple. You have to take this Abhaya Sutra. You can take one of its end and put it inside the hole of this Rudraksha. So there were a lot of questions that were being asked about this Rudraksha. The first question that I have received the most is that did I receive any tracking number? No, I did not receive any tracking number. The second question is, who can wear Rudraksha? Anyone can wear a Rudraksha and there is no restriction for wearing Rudraksha. The third question that I received the most is, can one eat non-veg while wearing Rudraksha? Considering that Aghoris wear Rudraksha and they almost eat non-veg at all and nothing else, one can definitely wear Rudraksha and eat non-veg, there shouldn't be a problem. The other question that I receive most often is that can women wear Rudraksha? Yes, definitely anyone can wear Rudraksha, including women. So one more common question that I received is what type of Rudraksha are we receiving here? As I showed you a minute earlier, this is a 5-faced or the Panchamukhi Rudraksha. And if you are wondering who can wear a 5-faced or Panchamukhi Rudraksha, anyone who wants to have a betterment in their life can wear a 5-faced or the Panchamukhi Rudraksha. These were some of the most asked questions, and after a lot of research, these were the answers that I found. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments. Now, some of the hygiene that I follow usually wearing the Rudraksha are, I'll remove the Rudraksha while taking bath. Don't get me wrong, it's very good if the water flows from Rudraksha through your body. But since we use soaps that are mostly made out of chemicals are not at all good for Rudraksha. Hence I remove the Rudraksha while taking bath, and after taking the bath, immediately I wear it back again. One more thing that one needs to follow is that if you are visiting any birth ceremony or death ceremony, then you shouldn't be wearing Rudraksha at that time. In case by accident you wear the Rudraksha and happen to go to any of these ceremonies, then as soon as you come back, you need to put it in ghee and soak for 24 hours, then soak in milk for 24 hours. Then recite Om Namah Shivaya for 108 times, holding each bead of Rudraksha and wear it. This hygiene procedure is for the mala and not for the individual Rudraksha bead, but you can do that for individual Rudraksha bead as well. I also highly recommend that you remove the Rudraksha bead while doing any sexual activities. That's it guys for this video. I hope you liked the unboxing of this Rudraksha bead, and most of the questions that were in your mind would have been cleared by now. But by any chance still you have some questions left that are unanswered, please feel free to comment in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer all the questions. If you like my effort put to making this video as well as original video educating you that you will get Rudraksha for free, then please consider subscribing to this channel, share it with your friends, hit that like button. Thank you, have a great day, bye.
Sadhguru will now consecrate the 3 million Rudraksh beads in the presence of Adiyogi and initiate all of us into a specially designed spiritual process. This will be a powerful instrument in your life to become accessible to the grace of Adiyogi. Soak yourself in the tears of Shiva by receiving this from Sadhguru. For the first time on the night of Mahashivratri, Sadhguru consecrating the Rudraksh. The Rudraksh Diksha will be available to seekers in their homes.
सर्प व्रजगारुणाभ्यां विवेक संसारसमुद्रतारं नौकायिताभ्यां गुरुभक्तिकाभ्यां वैराग्यसाम्राजनपूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां कवित्ववाराशिनिशाकराभ्यां दौर्भाग्यदावाम्बुधमालिकाभ्यां दूरीकृतानं रतिपतिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां नताययो श्रीपतितां समीयुं कदाचिदप्याशु दरिद्रवर्या मूकाश्रवाचस्पतितां हिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां नालीकनिकाश्चपदाहृदाभ्यां नानाविमोहादिनिवारिकाभ्यां नमश्जनाभीष्टगतिप्रदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां कृपालिमौलिगजरत्नकान्ति सरिद्विराजचषकन्यकाभ्यां नृपद्वदाभ्यां नतलोकपङ्क्तेः नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां पापान्धकारार्कपरम्पराभ्यां तापत्रयाहीनखगेश्वराभ्यां जाड्यातिसंशोषणमाणवाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां समाधिषड्गप्रदवैभवाभ्यां समाधिदान